When your system is low on storage space, this can affect your computer's performance and have an impact on the Windows updates process. Here are a few ways to create and manage disk space on your Windows 11 PC. First, let's check to see what exactly is using up all the space and make some decisions. Go into Settings, and with System selected, click on the Storage option. Here is where you'll find the main categories that are using up your storage space. It's important to understand which files or programs are affecting your storage in Windows 11. Click on Show More Categories to view them all. Selecting each will reveal even more details. Temporary files is a good place to start cleaning up files held for quick viewing. Take a look at your installed apps and consider deleting any unused ones that are occupying a lot of space. To learn and fix why some of your apps are crashing, click the link shown and watch our video. Use Windows Storage Sense to erase unnecessary files from your system and schedule automatic cleanups. Go into Settings. With System selected, go back to the Storage option, and under Storage Management, click on Storage Sense. Be sure the box for Cleanup of Temporary Files is ticked, then toggle on the Automatic User Content Cleanup. With this activated, you'll be able to configure cleanup schedules. You can choose how often to run Storage Sense, when recycle bin items get deleted, and at what point are downloaded files removed if not opened. Further down, there is the option to run Storage Sense anytime you want by simply clicking the Run Storage Sense Now button. You can always follow the Windows 11 cleanup recommendations to free up space. Go into Settings. With System selected, click the Storage option, and this time under Storage Management, click on Cleanup Recommendations. The list provided will consist of all the unnecessary files and unused apps affecting your system storage that Windows 11 has detected, any files that haven't been opened in a long time, or that have already been saved elsewhere, for instance on OneDrive, as well as temporary internet or installation files no longer needed, and any apps that are not used in the system. Go through each of the categories, choose which files you wish to be deleted, then click the Cleanup button. Keep in mind, this process permanently deletes the files. For information on how to take advantage of Dell's online diagnostic tests, click the link shown. Another way to free up system storage space is by using the Disk Cleanup utility tool. Click on the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup and open the app. A list of file categories will be shown, along with the amount of space it's using. Tick the ones you want, then click on Clean Up System Files, and Windows will calculate how much space will be freed up. In the next window, go through the list to verify the files you would like to be deleted, then click OK, and wait for the Disk Cleanup utility to run its course. Be very careful which files you choose using this method, as there could be some files listed that are critical to your system's performance. For example, when Microsoft releases an update for a newer version of Windows, you typically have 10 days to revert to the previous version in case you want to change back. Any of those files necessary to be able to do that are saved in the system and are just as vulnerable to being deleted as the others. So if you decide to free up disk space while you're within this particular time period, be aware that if those old Windows system files are deleted, the rollback process to the previous version of Windows won't be possible because once those files are gone, it cannot be undone. A good practice is to keep heavy files saved elsewhere that you don't use very often. Take inventory of folders that you don't use on a daily basis and move them to an external storage device, or save them to a cloud storage service such as OneDrive. Keeping important document copies, large presentations, old photos, big videos, and other heavy files not used often on an alternate storage can free up a surprising amount of disk space on your PC. To learn about using OneDrive to back up your system files, click the link shown to watch our video. If you have any questions or need help, you can always contact us through social media at Dell Cares on Twitter for further assistance. We have many other helpful videos available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.